Tired of hearing how everyone is making money on crypto, but it's still not you? Tired of not understanding half the words when someone starts talking about blockchain? Or maybe you just don't understand how crypto can actually fit into your life. And if you're still wondering, is it too late to start? Spoiler alert, it's not. Then this new crash course from Changelly is exactly what you need. Changelly just launched a brand new crash course for crypto beginners. And it's exactly what so many people have been waiting for. It's short, clear, and completely free until the end of September. If you've never heard of Changelly, it's a trusted platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. You can do all this in just a couple clicks using any convenient payment method. Bank card, Google or Apple Pay, Revolut, and even without any registration. Best rates, fast transactions, simple design, and 24/7 support. They've been in the game for 10 years with millions of users worldwide. And now they do what they do best, making crypto simple and accessible for everyone. The course is called Crypto Secrets with Pickle. They just went live, so let's check it out together. I'm literally opening this for the first time right now. Alright, so I'm on the page and okay, wait. Pickle's this adorable little mascot. He's a bit green at the start, just like any of us when we're beginners. But apparently tough enough to survive any crypto winter. That's actually pretty clever branding. Okay, let me scroll down and see what this course actually offers. Okay, interesting. It says 5 mini lessons, 5 minutes each, so we're talking less than 25 minutes to go from crypto confused to crypto confident. That's actually pretty reasonable. Oh, I can see it's completely interactive. Look at this. There are quizzes, checklists, short videos. This doesn't look like one of those boring theory courses at all. This seems like practical stuff you can actually use. Okay, let me check what you'll actually learn here. Scrolling down. Okay. Why it's still not too late to get into crypto 2025. There's a good starting point. How to spot promising coins before they explode. That's what everyone wants to know. The biggest mistake that can destroy your portfolio? Okay, that's actually really important. How to read the market without getting overwhelmed by charts? Yes, please. And finally, how to build your very first crypto portfolio. Wait, hold on. Here's what just caught my attention. The course is completely free until the end of September. That's actually a really good deal. All right, so I'm curious now. Let me actually dive into this. Let's click on lesson 2 and see what they're teaching here in real time. How to spot a gem before 10x's. So the layout is friendly. Text, visuals, and then right after that, the quiz section. This is perfect for interactive learning. And I really like that it doesn't feel overwhelming. The lesson is short. So here's the 5 green flags checklist. 1. Does it solve a real problem? 2. Are people actually using it? 3. Can you find out who built it? 4. Is it still early? 5. How does the token actually work? Nice. So these are basically hints I can use before making a decision whether to buy a coin. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it sounds very logical, but it's super convenient when it's structured and presented as one clear list. All right, now let's try this short quiz. First question. Guaranteed 1000x next week, no docs, no devs, but lots of hype. That's definitely a red flag. Yep. Next one. A new DeFi tool with a working product, a public GitHub, and weekly updates from the team. Yeah, I'd say that's a green flag. Everything looks transparent, and that really builds trust. And yes, that's the correct answer. And when you finish, you get a $100 bonus from Changelly, which you can use to cover fees when trading crypto in their app. The bonus lasts 14 days. Perfect for starting your portfolio with a real head start. Go take the course, meet Pickle, and grab your $100 bonus to kickstart your crypto journey. So, if you've been waiting for a sign to jump into crypto, this is it. Crypto does not have to be complicated. In 2025, it's accessible to everyone, and there's still incredible opportunities out there. The link is right there in the description. See you on the other side.